Hey, what's up everybody? I've been meaning to do this video for a while now. This is by no means a work for everyone strategy. This is what's worked for me and trading US30. You can use it with stock, crypto, whatever you want to trade, but this is the strategy that I've been using along with VisionAlgo that has been profitable for me. I did make about $2,300 today. I was just shy, and that's pretty much been my average between 1 and 2K a day. If I trade more or less, then it'll depend. So let's get down into it. Right here, I have US30 on the 5-minute. I have it set to advanced setting on VisionAlgo, and it is currently not moving because the market is closed for the next approximately 15 to 20 minutes, which is a perfect time for me to go over this strategy without worrying about the screen getting away from me. So what I do is I use the 3MA, or what is known as the triple EMA, and I use a specific one by jwilcharts, and I actually have mine set to the 20, 50, and 200 EMAs. So the white line is the 20, this orange is the 50, and this purple line right here is the 200. Now what I do is, let me roll back here to this morning when I made out with, oh goodness, I believe $600, and I didn't even get the full run. Oh, wish I had been in that whole thing. So this right here got a bull signal right here after it came up above this support resistance area. I did not jump in that. I said, nope, not yet, because there was another support and resistance area right here. I waited until it actually came up above the 20 and the 50 EMAs. Now, the reason why I didn't enter this one specifically is because that 200 was right there, and it clearly rejected it. So it came back down, tested the 50 and failed, tested the 20, failed, but it immediately popped back up right back over because the strong buying power was with the bulls this morning. So it came back over. It actually went sideways right here as it was testing the 50 EMA, this 20 EMA, and that now support. Finally decided to fully break above, broke above this 200, and it completely soared to a new all-time high, and then it immediately dropped to a pretty darn good low at about, let's see, what was that? About 35,120, and I did ride that down. That was very profitable. So my strategy is very simple. I wait for it to break above the 20 and 50 EMAs. I watch out for potential resistance areas, such as the 20 EMA, because right there, say, I get in, it breaks above, I think everything's going great, but I don't have this 200. I don't realize that that's a potential resistance area, and it starts falling, and I freak out because I don't know what's going on. That's exactly what happened when I first started trading. If I didn't have these triple EMAs, I would be looking at this and I'd be trying to figure out what in the heck is going on besides my basic support and resistance. There is so much that happens behind the scenes that you need these other indicators to show you what's going on with the buy and selling pressure. Now, if I were to get in a bear movement, it is the exact opposite. I want it to break below the 50 and the 20. Pretty much just died right here, broke both of them, broke support, and then it came down below this support as well. Right here, it pretty much did a little bounce because that is a support range area, and that's when it started the strong upsell pressure. So let's see, this bear shows it better. Now, mind you, I do have mine set to advanced so that I can get as many scalp possibilities as possible, but if it is a strong downtrend, be extremely careful with bear movements. I tell everyone this, whether you're in the Vision Discord, whether you're on my YouTube channel, or just in general with trading with any algorithm, you need to be careful in those strong downtrends. If you can identify it, then that will make you a lot safer with trading. So right here, we have the bear signal. We drop below the 20. That's good. We drop below the 50. At this point, I would already be in because the 200 is a fair distance away, and this support down here is a good amount away too. So if I jumped in about right here, so we'll say that's 570, and just wrote it down to the 200 EMA, that's about 496, so we'll just say 500. So that's 70 points. On a 0.1 lot, that's $700. And it went from there to about here. So in that range. Now we have it going down. We're going down. We're strongly under the 20 and 50 EMAs. We have a bull signal right here. It did attempt to come up. This one I would have ignored. The reason why is because it did not fully break above either of those EMA lines. We are still trending down. So we have another bear signal here. We are still pretty solid underneath the 20 and 50 EMAs. So with this bear signal, we actually break below the 200. So now that we're solid below the 200, I'm like, all right, we're doing good. This is even better. We're getting closer to this support though. Bull signal, okay, but it's not breaking above that 20 or the 200 or the 50. So I am still going to hold my bear signal from up here. At this point, we are riding it all the way down. Now right here, there is a nice take profit. Makes sense. This is a strong support area that has been supported many of times. We have a bull signal here. It does break above the 20 and the 50. But overall, trend-wise, we are still trending down. So this is one that you would want to wait until it fully breaks above the 200. As you can see here, it did, but it tested. So that is not a strong candle at all. And it breaks back below, goes down to test this support, tries to go up again and test, and it still continues to fail, continues trending down this entire time. Now, these bull signals are good for great scalping moments if you can be in and out fast enough. Otherwise, be very careful. Still trending down. We finally break above the 20 here on this solid support. Can't break the 50 though, so we fall back down. This bull signal, it does break above the 20 and the 50, and it fully breaks above this support as well, where it sits for a little bit consolidating as it's doing now. On open, I technically expect it to actually open a bit higher, at least towards this top resistance right here. Otherwise, it's going to continue falling if it does not break out of this downtrend that it has made. It almost broke out earlier right there. If it would have continued heading upward, it would have broken out and we would have been making a new trend. But currently we are still holding that downtrend. So until it can break above here, be very careful with the long movements that you make. All right, everybody, that is actually pretty much it for what I do. Like I said, it's simple, easy, to the point. I hope this helps anyone out there. If not, please get in contact with me. You can reach me at the VisionAlgo Discord. I will talk to anyone, whether you're a Vision member or not. You can also reach me on my YouTube. Any way you want to get a hold of me, feel free to reach out. Y'all have a good one. Thanks so much for watching.